What's up guys, Leon here, and today we're unboxing my new M2 12.9 inch iPad Pro. I got way too excited and already ripped off the pull tabs before I realised I forgot to press record. But enough talking, let's dive in. I opted for the 256GB Wi-Fi and cellular model in Space Grey. Love Space Grey. I'm actually coming from an 11-inch iPad Pro that stopped working due to some hardware failure according to the Apple Store, but we move. Let's open this box. We got the iPad front and center, but let's put that to one side for now and see what else is in the box. We have the usual, designed by Apple in California. Taking out the documents, there's the quick start guide, Apple stickers, warranty information, a SIM ejector tool. I didn't expect this. Next in the box, braided USB-C cable. We like these, Apple. Do these more often, please and thank you. Last, there's the USB-C 20-watt charging brick. This is the 3-pin plug for us over here in the UK. And finally, it's time to remove. Yeah, let's get this out and turn this on.
Doesn't matter me.
I'm loving the placement of these antenna lines. Apple really know how to make form and function go hand in hand. Apart from the infamous charging port on the Magic Mouse, that is. Okay, cool. It's on. Whilst I set this up, we can take a look around the iPad. At the bottom, we have speakers either side of the USB-C port. On the right, from top to bottom, there's volume up and down, magnetic wireless charger for Apple Pencil, and the SIM tray. The top houses the power button, followed by another pair of speakers and 2 microphones. On the left-hand side, we have a single microphone. Next, on the back, is a smart connector for using Apple accessories like the Magic Keyboard, and at the top is the dual camera setup. 10 megapixel ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel wide camera, flash, LiDAR scanner, and the microphone. The screen is amazing. This iPad has a bit of weight to it, but nothing too extreme. As I said earlier, I'm coming from an 11-inch iPad, so it's something I'm not used to. But this display is just too good. 120 Hz is looking real smooth. Gotta love ProMotion. It's bigger, brighter, and the colors pop. Now I believe that to get the most out of your iPad, it needs a case. So I grabbed this Zugu one from Amazon. I had no idea which case to get, and it took me an age. But this one had a ton of good reviews, so I thought why not and pulled the trigger. Hopefully, I'm not disappointed. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling it. This is nice. A little thank you note signed from Tim Angel, right? Seems like they're all called Tim these days. We have some instructions, kickstand directions, fridge mount directions. You have all the ridges on the front for those many viewing angles compared to the standard folding case. Ah yes, my favourite. I'll save these to snack on later. Obviously don't eat them. The inside of this feels great, really smooth, and should do well to protect the iPad from dust and debris. 2 strong magnets on the back, either side, with 2 places to store the Apple Pencil. Let's get the iPad in and see how it looks.
The iPad.
Sleep to wake works nicely. Let's add the Apple Pencil. Continue. Hello. Here's some different angles of the iPad in the case. It's incredibly sturdy, so there's no chance of it collapsing or slipping. My main reason for getting this iPad is because I like to draw in my spare time, and it's something I missed out on when my old iPad stopped working. Here's a quick time lapse of one of my latest drawings. It's not the best, but I hope to improve it over time. The transition from traditional art to digital art took me a while to get used to because the feedback you get from drawing on paper is completely different to that of glass. I have tried a matte and textured screen protector, but I found it slowly kind of erodes the tip of the Apple Pencil, so I no longer use them. Anyway, this has been a quick unboxing of my new iPad and the case. If you enjoyed the video, let me know, and if you didn't, let me know what I can improve on. Until next time, thanks for watching, and may God watch over you. Stay blessed.